In this video, we will understand saturated and unsaturated carbon compound. As we know that carbon make numbers of compound because of its unique properties like self-linking, which is known as catenation, and valency of 4, by which it can make multiple bonds. Carbon can make single, double, or triple covalent with itself, also with other atoms, which are capable to make double or triple bonds. Now let's understand saturated and unsaturated carbon compound one by one. Saturated carbon compounds. Saturated carbon compounds are those in which all the carbon atoms are connected to each other by single covalent bonds and each carbon atom is bonded to the maximum number of hydrogen atoms. These compounds are called saturated because they are fully saturated with hydrogen atoms. Saturated compounds are typically alkanes in organic chemistry. Examples of saturated carbon compounds: methane, ethane, propane, butane. In these compounds, carbon atoms are bonded together in a chain or branched structure with single bonds between them, and each carbon atom has 4 single covalent bonds. Unsaturated carbon compounds. Unsaturated carbon compounds are those that contain one or more multiple bonds between carbon atoms or those with fewer hydrogen atoms bonded to the carbon atoms than would be expected in a saturated compound of the same carbon skeleton. These compounds have the capacity to undergo further reactions due to the presence of multiple bonds. There are two main types of unsaturated carbon compounds. Alkenes. These are hydrocarbons that contain at least one carbon-carbon double bond. Alkenes have the general formula represented as, where N represents the number of carbon atoms. The presence of a double bond leads to less hydrogen saturation compared to alkanes. Examples of alkenes: ethene, propene, butene, pentene. Alkynes, these are hydrocarbons that contain at least one carbon-carbon triple bond. Alkynes have the general formula represented as, where N represents the number of carbon atoms. Alkynes have even fewer hydrogen atoms as compared to alkenes. Examples of alkynes: ethyne, propyne, butane. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.